Alright, I'm gonna be playing White Noise. Things that are on are hard mode, lithium batteries, and smiley. My name is Die Smiley Die. Point of this is you have to find eight tape recorders in the middle of the forest with nobody around except for that thing. Hey, sexy. There's one. Come here. One of the 8. You have to find all of them before this, like, ghost, demon thing run. Tries to kill you. I call him Dome because he has no eyes, he's just a dome. Rachel! Damn it. Jennifer, get out of the way. Ah! I don't want to die. Sounds like there's one in here. And you know when you're close to one because, like, there's a static sound. That's... Get it! Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away! No, just a note, I'm on hard mode, so if I wasn't on hard mode, then he wouldn't be popping up as much. I think it's right after you find 3 or 4, he's always behind you. Oh, come, I want to go over there. What now? Oh god. Go this way. The strategy that I like to use is whenever he's near, I just do a 360. Usually he's gone, but he isn't. Go away. Nobody likes you. Oh. Guess that worked. Screw you! Screw you! Stop trying to kill me. What did I ever do to you? Stop it. Stop it. He's still there? Alright, no, he's not. Screw you! Where? No! Stupid controller! Stop turning off. He's right there! No. No good. Run away. Oh, come on. Where's the freaking tape recorder? The sound is going off and I'm not seeing it. Damn you, Dome! Yeah, well, that was White Noise, Tale of Horror. It's 80 Microsoft points in the Xbox 360 game thing. It's an indie game, I believe. It's pretty fun. It's basically just like Slender, except more things you have to find and more annoying. Screw you. Alright, well, leave comments to see what you say what you think about what you thought about the video in the commentary. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. If you guys like it, I'll be sure to make some more videos. Alright, my name is Die Smiley Die. See you later, bros.